Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone for multiple development projects worth 35,700 crore rupees in Jharkhand from Sindri in Dhanbad district today. In line with the country's ambition to generate 50% of its electric power from non-fossil sources by 2030, India has launched the auction of 18 critical and strategic mineral blocks valued at around 30 lakh crore. The World Trade Organization's 38th Ministerial Conference at Abu Dhabi has been extended till today to allow for further discussions and potential agreements on major topics. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar has stressed the need to build deep national strengths during the Amrit Kal that will drive the transition towards a developed economy and a leading power. Tressa Jolly and Gayatri Gopi-Chand have progresses to women's doubles quarterfinals in German Open.